Hi, good morning. In this video, we are talking about the structure of the DNA. Structure of DNA is a 10th chapter for inter second year students. The chapter name is the molecular basis of inheritance. It is important chapter for IPE and MSET oriented. Let us start the topic of the DNA structure. DNA is a double helical structure. DNA is a double helical structure. This double helical structure was proposed by Watson and Crick. The term DNA was coined by Jackaris. DNA and RNA act as a nucleic acids. So DNA is a nucleic acid. The term nucleic acid or nuclein is coined by Meyer. Nuclein or nucleic acid is coined by Meyer. So DNA is a long polymer chain of nucleotides. Long polymer chain of nucleotides. So poly means many. Poly means many or number of. Nucleotides means nucleotides is the made up of three components. That is the phosphate group, PO4 3 minus, and pentose sugar. In DNA presence of deoxyribose sugar, RNA presence of ribose sugar. So DNA presence of deoxyribose sugar, in RNA presence of ribose sugar, pentose sugar group. And next one, nitrogen bases. That nitrogen bases is 4: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. So I will draw the structure of the DNA. Sugar group, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth, fifth carbon. In first carbon presence of nitrogen bases. First carbon presence of nitrogen bases with glycosidic bond. Important. Nitrogen bases with glycosidic bond. And fifth carbon presence of phosphoric group. This phosphate group always attached with the fifth carbon with phosphodiester bond. So it is the structure of the deoxyribose sugar. In RNA presence of sugar group, and second carbon in RNA presence of hydroxyl group. Here second carbon presence of hydrogen group in DNA. In RNA presence of second carbon presence of hydroxyl group. That is the structurally difference between the DNA and RNA. So DNA presence of hydrogen group in second carbon. And here second carbon attached with the hydroxyl group in RNA. That is the structurally difference between the DNA and RNA. RNA is ribose sugar, DNA is a deoxyribose sugar. Okay. Next, these nitrogen bases are two types. Nitrogen bases is two types: purines and pyrimidines. Purines means AG. Purines means adenine, guanine. Pyrimidines means cytosine and thiamine. Okay. The purine is bind with the pyrimidines. The purine is bind with the pyrimidines. So the purine is always paired with the pyrimidines. So A is always paired with the T with double bond. G always pair with the C with triple bond. One purine, one pyrimidine. So purine always pair with the pyrimidines. A always pair with the T, thiamine with double bond. G always pair with the cytosine with triple bond. DNA is a double helical structure. DNA is a double helical structure. Okay. This DNA is a double helical structure proposed by Watson and Crick. Two strands are anti-parallel. DNA is a double helical strands are anti-parallel. Anti-parallel means two strands are parallel but opposite strands. One strand start with the 5' and with the 3'. The other strand start with the 3' and end with the 5'. That is the anti-parallel strands. So each strand is made up of number of nucleotides. The DNA strand is made up of nucleotides. Nucleotides means A, T, adenine, thiamine, G, C. A pair with T, double bond. G pair with C with triple bond. In the same way, A, T, G, C. So it is the structure of the DNA. So the length of the DNA depends upon the number of base pairs. Length of the DNA depend upon the number of the base pairs or nucleotide pairs. The diameter of the DNA. Diameter of the DNA is the diameter means the length. The diameter of the DNA is the 20 angstrom. Diameter of DNA is the 20 angstrom. One turn of helix, it contain 10 base pairs. 10 base pairs. One turn of helix, it contain 10 base pairs. The distance between the two strands, the distance between the two base pairs, the distance between the two base pairs is the 0.34 nm or 3.4 angstrom. So the distance between the two base pairs is the 0.34 nm. That is the structure of the DNA. Once again, quick revision. The DNA is a double helical structure proposed by Watson and Crick. The term DNA was coined by Jackaris. DNA acts as a nucleic acid. So nuclein or nucleic acid term coined by Meyer. DNA is a polymer of nucleotides. Poly means number of. Nucleotides means these nucleotides has 3 components: phosphate group, pentose sugar and nitrogen bases. These 3 are the components of the nucleotides. Nitrogen bases is 2 types: purines and pyrimidines. Purines means AG. Pyrimidines means cytosine, thiamine. Okay. Next, it is the sugar group. Pentose sugar group. First carbon always bind with the nitrogen. First carbon presence of nitrogen bases with glycosidic bond, important for MSET or IPE. Nitrogen bases with presence of glycosidic bond. And next, fifth carbon here always attached with phosphate group with phosphodiester bond. It is the structure of the deoxyribose sugar. That means DNA structure. In RNA, presence of second carbon, presence of hydroxyl group. In DNA presence of second carbon hydrogen group, here hydroxyl group, that is the structurally differences between the DNA and RNA. RNA presence of ribose sugar, DNA presence of deoxyribose sugar. And next, structure of the DNA. DNA is a double helical structure that is proposed by Watson and Crick. These two strands are anti-parallel. Anti-parallel means it is parallel strands but opposite. One is start with 5' 3', other one start with 3' and end with 5'. Each strand is made up of number of nucleotides. That means nucleotides means purines and pyrimidines. So adenine always pair with thymine. Adenine always pair with thymine with double bond, and cytosine always pair with guanine with triple bond. So A is always pair with T double bond, G is always pair with C with triple bond. In DNA presence of hydrogen bonds, in the between presence of hydrogen bonds, that's why the DNA is a more stable comparison to the RNA. So in the DNA presence of hydrogen bonds, that is the totally structure of the DNA. Here important for glycosidic bonds, it is 2 marks for IPE exam and MCET oriented. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. You have any doubts in this topic, please comment in the comment section.